Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Caesar salad from scratch. We'll begin by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a truly authentic experience. Then, we'll dive into crafting that iconic creamy dressing, the heart of any great Caesar. Next, we'll prepare the crisp romaine lettuce and golden croutons. Finally, we'll bring it all together for a perfect, restaurant-quality dish you can enjoy at home. The dressing is truly what makes a Caesar salad unforgettable. Start by whisking together 1 egg yolk, 2 finely minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a bowl. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in about 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil, whisking constantly until it emulsifies into a creamy consistency. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 finely minced anchovy fillets for that signature savory depth. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Crispy croutons and fresh romaine are crucial for texture. For the croutons, take about 4 cups of day-old bread cut into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden and crunchy. Meanwhile, prepare your lettuce. Wash 2 heads of crisp romaine thoroughly. Then dry them completely using a salad spinner or paper towels to prevent a watery salad. Now for the grand finale, assembling your masterpiece. In a large bowl, gently combine your thoroughly dried romaine lettuce with the creamy Caesar dressing. Toss until every single leaf is lightly coated but not drenched. Next, add your perfectly golden, crunchy croutons and about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give it one final, gentle toss. For an extra touch, you could add some grilled chicken or shrimp. Serve your magnificent Caesar salad immediately. To enjoy its fresh, crisp textures and vibrant flavors at their very best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.